Guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we go, we got another one for you guys. Check this one out though. This thing is fully decked out, color match headlights already, sealed up nicely, chrome deletes, got the cab lights already. Pretty nice looking little thing here. We're going to be installing some wheel lights. Wheel lights, here we go. All right guys, these are the lights right here. I believe this has a couple of different colors. So the customer brought his own parts. We're just providing installation for him. I'm not even 100% sure if they work, but let's just cross our fingers. We already got this wheel out. Now we just got to figure out where we're gonna mount this puppy at. Let's get into it. All right guys, check it out. So we got these wheel lights. Look at how many LEDs this thing's got. Bro, it's got so many LEDs, it's crazy. So we're gonna be installing these. I'm not sure how they're gonna fit, but we're gonna figure it out. Hopefully they fit, because this is gonna be pretty cool. So stay tuned for this one, and yeah, check us out. Check us out. Check out the truck. You're gonna get one little show there. Alrighty guys, check it out. So we got one of the wheel lights on here. Keep in mind guys, it's not going to look perfect because you have different patterns all the way around. So we put one here. We put one right in there. We see that bracket, and then one right in there. Unfortunately, sometimes you cannot wrap them all the way around because you have nothing else to grab to here. So we put them here. This thing will be pretty solid. All right, let's see how they look lit up. All right guys, so we got the back ones mounted as well. Check it out. This one has another little plate here, so you can put this self tapper there. I put one right in here, right in there. I did have to kind of just clear up the brake dust shield, and I am adding Loctite to those. So what I'm doing is getting these, because it came with these, but those are a pain in the butt. I don't know why they would do it that way. I'm getting these, I'm pre-drilling, and I'm cutting them down to about like right there, like so, and putting thread lock, and that should lock those in place, and it's gonna give you that look. Customer did mention these are the 15-inch wheel lights. I think if you go with the 17-inch, you're gonna have a lot more space, because these, as you can see, is barely even enough. But dude, these things are solid on there. I ain't going over it. We wrapped up the front ones already. We had them on. They're pretty quick. These, yeah, 15. No, 17. Go 17. That way you get a lot more leverage there. But this should be good. Just gotta put this one on and do the next one, and then we'll get down to the wiring. Alrighty guys, check it out. We just finished up the GMC here. Let's turn off these lights. Let's see how these wheel lights look. These things are pretty bright. Look at that. Lights up the whole ground. Right now we still got a little daytime. We got the front and the back done. Yeah, all right. Pretty cool. Ready to go. Let's see if we can change the mode on all of them here. Let's see. Turn off. On. Let me see, bro. I think since you have it hooked up to your phone. Oh, wait a minute. It's because the weird thing with this one is that you have to select, right? So let's say we select this is going to be 2. You can change the mode on each wheel. You know what I mean? You can change the mode, pero lo tienes que puchar.
I think if you like leave them on or something like off each one, you can select all at the same time. That's if you want to control different lights on each one.
Yeah. So it's kind of a little difficult, I think, with the remote. I think with the phone, it's a little bit different.
So right now it's...
So see, like this one's already different color. We can put it to the white. There we go. But let me see, can you turn them on with your phone? There you go. Okay. So yeah, it comes with a little remote, and then you can do each wheel differently. Let's see. Right now he's controlling it with his phone. You can do strobe and all kinds of different features on there. Pretty cool. Different colors. Hit me up for all your wheel light installs. Woo. That's good.